Welcome to BioNit. This is Sheikh Altaf. Today we'll discuss about the sexual reproduction in flowering plants. It is very short videos. Just briefly we'll discuss about that. Some few points which are very important for the NEET examination and general examination also. So in this topic, first of all discuss that the Professor P. Maleshwari, father of Indian plant embryology, he wrote a book, An Introduction to the Embryology of Angiosperms. He explained that the floriculture means the science of cultivation, breeding and marketing of flowers. So he proved that the flower is a modified shoot. According to Goethe, flower is modified shoot. He proved that flower and shoot are similar between each other. For example, I will say the stem, it is consists of nodes, internodes, and where the flowers and leaf all other necessary parts. Like that, flowers also have node, internodes are there with some leaf-like structure we call as floral whorls. So here we can't identify that internode because the internodes are very close and small and very close to the nodes. So it is looking like a single points. That means all the four whorls, they arise from the single points. It is looking like single point, but it is not single points. They develop from the round. So it is called the circle. So all the four whorls, they arrange in four circles. The first circle, it is consist of calyx, the individual membrane called sepal. Like the second whorls is called corolla. Individual membrane is called petals, and third whorls are called androecium, and fourth gynoecium. So here some of the plants, the length of internode increases between calyx and corolla is called anthophore, Anthopore, anthophore. Example, dianthus and silene plants. If the length of internode between corolla and androecium increases, then it is called androphore. Example, passiflora. Like that, if the internode between the androecium and gynoecium increases, then it is called gynophore. Example, capparis. And some flowers, what happens, both androphore and gynophores are present. For example, that Gynandropsis penthophylla and Chlamydia gynandra. So in this case, what happens, both the internodes are there in between calyx, corolla, and after androecium and gynoecium. It is one of the special characteristic feature is there, one of the plants that is called Musenda flower. So in the Musenda flower, what happens, sepal, the sepal means the individual membrane of calyx. So in sepals, one of the sepal is modified into bright and attractive yellow colors structure, and which attract the insect for pollination, and which is we call as advertising flag. So above these points, these characteristic points which are present both shoot and flowers, that's why we can prove that flower is modified shoot. Okay, let it be discussed about the two types of plants are there. One is called monocarpic plants, another is called polycarpic plants. So what is the meaning of monocarpic plants? The plants in which flowerings and fruiting takes place only once in the whole lifespan are called monospermic. Example, annual or biennial plants are there. And like that, the polycarpic plants, the plants in which flowering and fruits takes place many times in their entire lifespan, as known as polyspermic, or we can the perennial plants. So some of the exceptional cases are there. For example, bamboo, century plants, Agave americana are perennial plants, but they are the example of monocarpic plants, because throughout the lifespan they can once only they can produce the flowers after they finish their life. For example, bamboo species flowers only once in their lifetime, generally after 50 to 100 years, produce large number of fruits and die. Like that, another group of plants are there, Strobilanthes kunthania. So kunthiana, that is called Nilokunji. These flowers once in 12 years, it flowers during September, October 2006, it already produced, and after 12 hours, I mean already the 2018, already produced the flowers. It means its mass flowers transfer large tract of hilly area in Kerala, Karnataka and Tamil Nadu into blue stretches and attract a large number of tourists. So like that here we can, all these things are regarding that link between the flowers and flowering and seeding of the plants according to their lifespan. If you have any doubt regarding the topic, comment below, like, share and subscribe to Bionit, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notification of upcoming videos. Thank you.